All right, quick lesson on triangulation. If you have a cell phone, which you probably do, or at least your parents do, there's the little blue dot when you're using the maps and trying to find your way around. And if you've ever wondered how the phone knows where you are, it's pretty simple. Um, so basically, if you look at these three little devices here, these are supposed to be cell phone towers. And so, as your cell phone is sending information back and forth, it needs to be transmitted through one of these towers. And so, if you are close by, there's always quite a few towers around, and if you're close by a number of towers, then your location becomes more and more accurate. Let's just take, for example, that you were only nearby one cell phone tower. That cell phone tower might be able to, let's say it's this tower here, might be able to tell that you were 5 miles away from that tower based on how long it took the information to be relayed back and forth from your phone to the tower and vice versa. So this circle would represent all of the locations that are 5 miles from the tower. So you could be anywhere on this line at all. Now, if you are in proximity of several towers, your location becomes more and more accurate. If, for example, you are, let's say we'll take the second tower. Let's say it can tell you're 5 miles from this tower and 4 miles from this tower. Then you could essentially be anywhere in this overlapping location here that you see, and my cursor is kind of going over. As long as we have at least 3 towers, then your location is going to be a lot more accurate. Hence the word triangulation. Tri refers to 3. Think about a tricycle. So this third tower, if you have, let's say the tower can tell that you are about 3 miles from that tower, then your location becomes much more accurate, and you can see that with this diagram, you would be somewhere within this small location. It's not exact, so you can see the little red dot is where you probably are, but you would be somewhere within this, which is also why if you ever look at the accuracy of your phone or you use any sort of mapping or maybe go geocaching or something like that, the location or the distance jumps around just a little bit, and it depends on how busy these towers are and how many towers are within your proximity. And that's triangulation. You'll see why this matters in a little bit.